Welcome to our Friday morning get-together on HealthWise, the TV show, and I'm your host, Ralph Hipp. We welcome, sitting alongside me, registered nurse Christel Massey, and Christel's with the Cotton O'Neill Wellness Clinic, sharing today how we can all be better advocates for our own health, as well as how she and the other wellness clinic nurses help patients in Northeast Kansas do just that. Christel, nice to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
So tell me about the wellness clinic, and there are several locations involved. Tell me, where is the clinic located, or is it really a place, or is it more a series of services that you all provide?
Well, the wellness clinic is made up of several nurses, and the wellness visit is completed in the patient's physician's office. So there's a nurse in each office.
And how would you describe a wellness visit and what's involved in all that when people come to see you?
Well, it's an annual visit. It's 100% covered by Medicare. It's with a registered nurse. We update the medical record. We educate patients. It's a good opportunity to go over medications, diagnosis. We do pre-screenings. We focus on preventative care. We can also schedule preventative screenings such as colonoscopies, mammograms. It allows the patient more time with their physician because we're getting more of the record keeping data collection completed before they see their physician.
Something else we've just completed is Healthcare Decisions Day. And tell me how that was, the mission of the Decisions Day, and how we should have advanced directives to really guide that care that we need, make sure that people are taking care of us.
Advanced directives are very important. They tell physicians, nurses, healthcare professionals, and your family what your wishes are, what you want or do not want when you're unable to make those decisions yourself.
How does the staff at the wellness clinic, they continue to guide that conversation with keeping patients updated on what they need to do to help you do your jobs?
Well, during the wellness visit, advanced directives are one component that we do go over. We talk about the durable power of attorney for healthcare.
Very, very important.
It's the patient choosing a person to be their voice when they are unable to speak for themselves. And then the living will is the patient's wishes, what they want or do not want for medical care, at their end of life. That's just one component.
Even covering these as news stories, Christel, we see the living will and durable power of attorney as some very powerful twins. They're always locked together, and you need them both, and you need them both up to date, don't you?
Yes, yes, and we really would like to have them in your medical chart.
Right. So a wellness visit, if I were to come to you, Christel, how long would the visit be? And take me through the list of what you would do, like you would be asking me things, and how would that go?
The wellness visit lasts about an hour.
Okay.
With a registered nurse from the wellness clinic, and it's at your physician's office. Like any visit, we do vital signs, height, weight. We go through your medical record. We focus on medications, education, and preventative screenings. We also can refer you if you need a hearing evaluation to get that completed. And then, of course, we check advanced directives.
We're with Christel Massey of the Wellness Clinic, and if it were to be me, Christel, how would I know that I do qualify for a wellness visit, or maybe I don't qualify? Or what are the levels of things that I need to bring to you to get the care that you provide?
Well, if you're on Medicare and you've been on Medicare for a year, then you qualify for the wellness visit, and it is 100% covered. Your physician may bring it up during your visit that they would like you to have this visit. They might schedule it for you there in the office, or you might have a wellness nurse call you at home and get that scheduled for you.
Right. And so who would or who would not qualify? Is there anything else you want to say about those things?
Just anyone on Medicare that has been on Medicare for a year. And we in our wellness clinic are very good at checking your insurance and making sure that you qualify.
Right. Now, are you in Carbondale and Lebo in that area? And you're also at 9th and Mulvane, you're by the hospitals?
Yes, any clinic that Cotton O'Neill has a wellness nurse in it.
Right. What are the days and the hours of operation, your schedule over there?
Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, we can see patients. So we may be calling to get that scheduled.
Right. What do we need to bring? I'm sure the list of our medications, what do we bring to the wellness visit to help you out?
Your medication list is very important. Even better, bring your pill bottles or bring the packages of your medications.
You read those labels very carefully
yes,
too.
so we
over
want to
there?
make sure what you're taking is exactly what we have on our list. And we can educate, if you need help with your medications.
Okay. Christel, so Medicare for a year. We've got our pill bottles ready. We've got our information ready to show you. How do we schedule that visit and make you have a connection with our people watching at home today?
Well, you can call the Wellness Clinic if you'd like to schedule. That number is 785-354-6545. Or you can call your physician's office and schedule it through them.
Okay, so we're with Christel Massey of the Cotton O'Neill Wellness Clinics, the Medicare Annual Wellness Visit, what we're talking about. No out-of-pocket cost, and that number there, call the number on the screen. And what's your website again to connect? Can you show that on the screen again, guys? We'll let them look at that one more time.
You can go to the Stormont Vail website, www.stormontvale.org.
There it is. Okay. And that number again, folks, is 354-6545. Once again, Christel mentioned this is totally covered by Medicare once you've been on Medicare for 1 full year. So, Christel, thanks for being on the show. Any final thoughts for our friends at home?
Thanks for having me.
Our pleasure.
Just getting your wellness visit scheduled.
Okay, very important. And mostly at 9th and Mulvane, 901 Southwest Mulvane in
Or
Topeka.
wherever your doctor is. Yeah.
Okay, and the doctors will send you to the right place for sure.
Yes.
All right. Christel, lovely to have you on HealthWise, and we hope to see you further on down the road and talk about this great clinic.
Thank you.
Very important work they do. Well, a reminder that HealthWise is hosting monthly senior suppers at Stormont Vail Hospital. They're on the second Monday of the month, all the way through to November now. So you're always invited to check it out. The dinner is served at 5:15 p.m. for just an Abraham Lincoln, just for $5. So come and enjoy the dinner, and it's followed by a speaker about a very important health and wellness topic of interest. You can make your reservation by calling the usual Health Connections number, 354-5225, to get you in the audience there. Time for our exercise segment, our low-impact exercises, and check with your doctor before you start this or any exercise.